What's the size of the trailer?
76 by 28.
76 by 28 trailer. This house is damn tree.
Trees big enough.
Okay. Now we're going to take a right and go to the kitchen. Laundry room, back door. First little cute bathroom, skylight, that's nice. Back left bedroom. Probably redo these carpets though. And other little bedroom back here. And then bedroom number 3. Little closet, no fan.
I scrubbed this and scrubbed this.
I don't know what that is.
But look, we'll watch.
I try not to get y'all on film.
Magic eraser. This thing's the same.
Master bedroom with your ceiling fan. And this right here is giant walk-in closet, which we could move this wall over a little bit and turn it into a giant bathroom over here. So we're gonna simmer down that closet a little bit. Big old tub and shower.
Y'all busy roofing down there?
Yeah, we do.
Even through the winter time?
What's that?
Is it even through the winter time?
Man, just hard work, man. Being out there, talking to people, just doing it, you know what I mean? Even most time I got busy.
Okay. And then we're gonna follow around the house, take a look at that. So the roof is just a couple years old, or 6 months old, so it's real new. Either continue the skirting on the house or get a new one, 'cause it's all missing. So this looks like a trailer with no skirt. Definitely needs paint, some touch up. A couple of windows, that one not there. Excuse me. There's the back door, needs a porch, so is the front door. Part of the gutter's missing. And we're back around over here again. So it does need a little bit of love. God, that's one big old tree. There you go. Let me know what you think.